Astronaut. My name is Sofia Calderon. I am 24 years old. I like go in Bogota. I study of food engineering. In my free time, I like spending time with my family. I go for was in different place. Outside Bogota, my time routine depends on what me work. This quiz usually include university actividades, go to work and share time with my family. Uh, I also enjoy watching movies and cooking different. Um, this is not only the usual honors. I like preparing special dinners. I with my family and going to the party to her. Thank you.